Hi everybody, it's Amber, and I am so sad right now because I filmed an entire tutorial and I had like a new camera setup situation, and this is it here, and I filmed the entire thing out of frame. So let me show you an example. I'm here editing and I was so excited that I got a video done, and it's this cute card holder. Oh my gosh. And everything's out of frame. So here I am showing you how to make the covers, and it's all too low in the frame. But I used a new camera setup, and I didn't realize until way late that I was out of frame the entire time. So I'm not gonna post the tutorial. It's too annoying to be out of frame. See, so it should be more up here. But again, the camera tripod I had set up, I was not used to it being that way because I'm currently redoing my entire craft room, trying to move into my main craft room. And I wanted to get a video out for December, but it looks like I failed. So I do want to share the project I made with you. It was inspired by Leah at Thriftyday. She's amazing. Her channel is going to be linked below. But yeah, I'm not gonna post the entire tutorial. You guys know I take a lot of care and time into my tutorials, and I don't need it to be perfect, but this is a little bit too much out of frame. But at the end here, I do a full flip through, but these are so easy, and I will redo the tutorial and share it with you. I had so much fun making this, but I'm gonna do a flip through right now and show you what I made. I'm sitting here editing in my living room with the Christmas tree, and I think I'm just gonna call it on this one, but I just wanted to share this with you, and I hope that you enjoy the flip through anyways. So this is my Christmas card holder. I'm just showing you on the screen here as I do a flip through. This part is pretty much in frame. It's not bad, but I did these like pockets. I used 12 by 12 sheets of paper, and then I cut the paper, or I'm sorry, I folded the paper in a certain way where you could fit lots of Christmas cards in there. And I had so much fun with this. I will take that away from this, that I crafted for once. I've been so busy, and I was happy to be able to craft a little bit yesterday. So there's those pockets. They fit those little skinny cards. And then this one fits many cards. So there's two 7-inch pockets and then one 5-inch. So the 5-inch one is here on the front cover. And then I used this one as like a full page, and I just slid some cards in that paper clip. And yeah, this was so much fun. And I used a Prima collection called, I think, the North Pole. I'll link it below. But I love this page here. It was so pretty. And then I clipped that in there, and I kept the whole image there. So I will do a tutorial on this. I was very inspired by Leah, again, at Thriftyday. She does hers differently, but hers are really cute, and hers are all embellished and everything, so hers are amazing. I'm so sorry, you guys, that the tutorial got messed up. I decided to not get super upset about it and have a cozy evening. Christmas is just in a couple days, and I have a lot of wrapping to do and stuff like that, so I'm gonna choose to stay positive. I wanted to come on and share my crafting fail, even though I did get a cute card holder out of it, and wish everybody a happy holidays, Merry Christmas, and especially a happy and peaceful 2026. And over at Lyric Lover Crafts, it's gonna be super creative, so many new videos. I'm so excited. Thanks so much for hanging in there with me and all of your support. It means so much. And I will see you very soon in my next video. Happy holidays, everybody. Bye.